Hi, in this video we will see what is CORR, which is core function in Tableau, and how to use this function. So core, the CORR stand for correlation. So this function helps us to find out the correlation between two expression, or we can say of two expression. So in order to use this function, let's create one calculation field. And type your function here. So as you can see here, this core function takes two input. One is expression one and expression two, and the both of the expressions should contain only numeric data. So in this case, we have discount, profit, quantity, sales. These are the numeric expression that we have to use in this function. And on the right side, we can see that it says the core function returns the person correlation coefficient of two expression. So it will return the person correlation coefficient. So for example, if I set the value here as a profit and sales, you see here our calculation is valid. After that, click on apply. Okay. So our field is ready. If you want to see the total value, just take this field and drop it onto the text. So as you can see here, so the value is 0.4791. So this is the total value. So for example, if you want to see the value according to the subcategory, according to the each of the subcategory. So here we can see the coefficient correlation value of each of the subcategory. So these are the value. So as you can see here, the accessories has 0.884, appliances has 0.715, and so on. And the machines has correlation in negative, as well as supplies and table. So this is how we can use the CORR, which is core function in Tableau, to find out the person coefficient correlation. So that's how we can use the value, and also we can also swap this value. If I go back to my function here, click on edit. Instead of profit and sales, if I write sales first and then profit, I click on apply. Now we can see here there is no change in the values because we use the same expression that we have used before. So after swapping the expression, there will be no change. So as you can see here, we first set the value as a profit first and then sales. Now we swap the values, so then the values will still remain same. So this is how we can use the core function in Tableau, and thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.